What's up guys, Riley here. Today I'm going to make an in-depth video of the exact exhaust setup because I've had some comments of people asking like, hey, what mufflers did you delete, or where are your resonators, or what did you put in place of this or that. So to clear everything up, I'm just going to go ahead and do a video of what the underneath of the car looks like. So kind of backed it up onto these little boards here. I'll crawl under here and I'll show you what has been done. So right here where the original resonators were is now just straight pipe, and then right there, those are the dual mufflers, the Magnaflow mufflers. And then so from those mufflers back is just straight pipe. And yeah, so those mufflers are in the exact location as the previous mufflers, and then up in front of that is the stock cats and stock headers, and everything else is you know, still the same. So yeah, basically just replaced the mufflers and deleted the resonators, just like I've stated in the video. But I guess some people wanted some clarification of that or something. So now you've seen what it actually looks like, and I guess I should have put this in that original video, but there you go. So that's what that's like. And then of course it's still the stock tips. That's kind of a given. So there's been one minor change to this exhaust setup, and that is a cold air intake made by Air Raid. So that was originally not there in that first video, but now there is that. So I'm gonna make a quick little video of doing some different driving scenes and show you guys what it sounds like now. The sound is pretty close to being the same. It's a little bit deeper, and I think it's just kind of overall cleared up some of the sound to make it sound a little bit better. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's really not much louder, which I was kind of shocked about, because back when I had my truck and I put the K&N air intake in that, it got way louder. But this is still honestly like pretty close to being the same as just like the normal exhaust without the intake. So here's some driving clips of that, and catch you guys later.